I'm really pissed and sad right now. You wanna know why? So, what happened was, I came over here, there was a fan sitting here. And without thinking, I lifted the fan. It was put together like that, lifted it. Real close to this thing. Well, turns out I didn't move it far enough away from this, and my end result of not moving it far away enough from the armrest was that. My damn fan broke. The entire bracket just snapped. I don't know what kind of fan this is. Maybe I can show the bottom of it. Some wood housing thing. It has wires for a light. It says right there, Alaron. Some kind of polished brass thing. I'm just pissed because had it been like, why not one of those blade brackets? Those with that shape would be easier to find than that shape. That shape is a lot harder to find. So I'm real upset about that. Wish me luck in finding a replacement part.